Today, I mean, like we can focus on our Chinese culture, especially like for the like we call ourselves a migrant, like from China or Hong Kong. But like in here today, like we feel like everybody get together and then we're looking into all the Chinese culture. We're talking about Chinese, historic items, everything. So it means so much to us.
For example, I brought the silver coins of Yuan Sikai silver coins. It's actually made in 1914s. Its nickname is Big Yuan Hat. So it's just it's a very popular because it's produced 750 million coins there. So I hear lots of people, they say, I have this as well. I have been given by my grandmother or something. So it's because quantities. So it's very popular.
Actually, I'm fascinated with the one of the the sculpture as two jade inside the house and then a big sculpture outside the garden as about the horse and the monkey.
Here it is interesting. In morning we gather together and to say because we know what we need to do today to have a talk. And my most interesting the part I'm most interested in to looking for the items. The sounds we know the result. What this sculpture looks like. We know that in Chinese we call it 马上封侯. You know the animal monkey at the back of the horse. This is a meaningful Chinese story, so it's very interesting me.
That sculpture is like meaning of like a wish because it said I heard it long time ago when I was young, but I didn't really understand what that mean. But when you say it in Chinese and Cantonese, it's say 马上封侯. So the meaning is like we taking the point in between the pronunciations, like the horse and the monkey. So 马上 that means immediate confer. So and then monkey is pronunciation is same as one of the ranking like Marcus in English. So that means the immediate confer to promote your ranking. So that's a big wish to everybody. Like everybody want to be promoted, want to be upgraded. So that's very big meaning behind that. So
I think it's very important to be part of this because it lets you learn about a culture that I'm not familiar with. Growing up here, I'm probably more Irish. I know more of the culture in Ireland than the Chinese culture. Though I'm in a position where I'm a wee bit older that I have a good aspect of both. compared to maybe younger ones now. I can speak the language. Maybe not very good, but I can still speak the language. And also I understand from my parents what they went through and hearing the stories and traditions, and I've grasped it and tried to remember what they've taught me so I can pass it on to my children. Even though growing up here, I still feel that I'm not from here. So I need to know where, my family history comes from. And basically, it is important for me to have the roots, and for my later generations to know, and learn, because we all learn from each other, and time goes very quickly. So it does. So we need to, things can happen so quick now. The world's a lot faster. So it's easy to get lost in it and you forget.
Very excited about this project. See, the National Museum, they have a 70s those the items from China, but they're not quite sure. So actually, last time I went to there to look at this, few of them, but it's very interesting, and it can trace Chinese culture, and maybe we can help them to choose which item should be exhibited.